extract, we'll make another file, another, we'll create another image, we'll create another registry file, and after that we'll see how we can analyze it using a software called FRAT. Okay, so here I have opened my software. As I told yesterday, we use this FTK measure. I opened the same software. So let me like for
Sir, hello.
yeah,
Sorry to disturb you, sir. So can you please ask the interns to mention their names in the chat box for the
yeah
attendance?
guys. So mention your names in the chat box for the attendance purposes.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you're welcome. Cool. Yeah. So as I told, we'll create what we'll do. We'll create a registry file, and after creating the registry like raw image and analyzing the registry file, as I told yesterday, we'll go to run after the regedit, and then we'll be analyzing. This will be h2. It will root will be having all the information of the like present working folder. It will be having the current user will be having the information of the users presently logged in, and this is the information. And analyzing it here, we should have very high knowledge. So easily, what we'll do, like as I told, we are in a forensic scene. So what we'll do, we will use this obtain protected files, and now I will choose the destination folder wherever I want to save this particular file. I'll choose the destination folder. So for now, I'll choose this raw registry files. Already there are many files here, over here. Fine, I'll make a new folder, raw files. This will be the folder name. Okay, so I'll create this particular file, and raw registry files here only, not here. New file, the new file I've created. I'll add the same name, new file, and here I will put password recovery and all registry files. This will be, you can choose any option, no issues, and I'll put okay. So meanwhile, it will extract all the files. We'll open it and see. Yeah, so this is the registry files. All the five whatever roots are there. All the five classes, all the file types of files will be available here, and so you have to check this show hidden items. So you have to make sure that it shows all the hidden items. Okay, hidden items should be shown here. So sometimes what happens, some files will be hidden by the Microsoft system only. So most of the files will be not be visible. So here I will put show hidden items, and all the files will be available. So here users data and also monpn07. This is my, and here also one more net user dot dat, it will be hidden. And since when you show the hidden items only, then it will be visible. Okay, now this is the part we yesterday also saw how to extract the particular file and how to see the particular folder, how to create a raw image. And now in this particular class, we'll see how to extract the particular folder and how to analyze it. So I will share you this software in the Google Classroom today only, and this is FRAT software. So here we can see there are two options: live system registry, live also we can analyze. But now since like cyber forensic, it is official tool used by like cyber forensics department as well. You can download it through the like official website. Don't worry, I'll share this website with share this file with you all. So right now, since we have created the forensics image, now the present task is to analyze the particular image, right? So to analyze the image, what we'll do, see here raw registry files. Since this all the data is raw, okay, raw in the sense it will be in the format of 101010. So since we'll have to analyze it, so we'll add raw registry files, and then we'll have to add the particular all the files. Okay, so files are saved in a new file as I created now. Uh, this is the new file, and I will select all the files. Okay, so here I will select all the file. Here five files are there. So I'll select all this. There is as you remember, there is one more file called net user, which I just showed you right now. This one also will add it, and after that I'll put apply. So after that it will analyze all the folders. It will take very fast. So as I told, while heavy forensics investigation and all, there will be right blockers and all. It will take bit time, but here since it is live registry and only we have extracted registry files, it will be easily like it will be easily done. It will be soon. So here is the file. As I told, system information last time, who logged in, whatever files I opened, and before opening the file, like this is a particular file which I having, which I have extracted, and we'll be having all the information. This is my computer name, like last shutdown time when I shut, like last time when I shut down the system, and it will be having the time zone information. It will be having the OS information. I am using the Windows server, and right now organization register is Amazon, and root system will be in Windows. All the particular file will be here only, and in logon details, right now it is already logged in, and it is currently used. Like you will get different details in a system since you are using it live, but since I am using it through console, this option is not available. And there are many more information services which I am using in my computer. All the services, Apache servers, all the service, everything will be there. And when we analyze it thoroughly, we'll get to know what and all changes has the person done, what and all changes that particular criminal has done. We'll get all the details, and user information, group details and all. So it will be having all the types of users logged in, user details, and whenever it is user ID, everything, all the information will be there. And when you're trying to like check out some loopholes, and when you're investigating it, when you thoroughly examine it, all the system will also get to know. See, this is all you'll also get to know the passwords of the system as well. So if you are having Google and all the password will be saved. Internet Explorer, many of the cache files will also be saved. So it is the software installed in the system. This is simple. Like as I told yesterday, we saw how to extract the particular file. Now we have seen how to analyze the particular file, like registry files. So in coming classes, we'll see like one more topic is there, file recovery. We'll cover it in the next class. It is the part of the same session. So it will take a bit time because using raw image like hexadecimal format, we'll extract the particular folder. Whatever folder we want, we'll extract it. So it will take little bit of time. So for now, this is the thing: how to extract the particular file, how to analyze the uh, registry files. So as of now, I will give you the assignments for the same. So yesterday's and today's assignment. Make sure that you submit it before like tomorrow. Before tomorrow, you should submit it by tomorrow. And if you have any doubt, you can ping me. Okay. Any doubts, guys? Any doubts? Anyone? Yeah. I'll repeat it once again. So see, yesterday you saw how to create a registry files. Okay. So once the file is created, here it is access data FTK major. We'll go to file, and we'll create obtain protected files. We'll select password recovery files and all registry files, and we'll select the folder wherever we want to save. We'll select the particular folder, and we'll save the particular file. This is it. Okay. This is clear because we're just creating the image, and we're just selecting the particular like particular folder is there. No, we are selecting that particular folder wherever we want to save it. And once it is saved, and see here, as already as I saved it, it is difficult to read it because it is in hexadecimal format. So see, it is difficult to read. Okay. So it has its own hash value, it has its own encryption and all. So it is very difficult to read. So to analyze it, we are using the software called EFRAT. Okay. So it is official software used by the most of the forensics investigators. I'll open it, and here it is raw registry files. And as I told, whatever registry files it is there, no, wherever I have like saved it, I'll just open all the files, particular files. Okay, so I have like extracted all the dat for files. It will only accept the dat files. It is all registry files, as I told I have extracted it. And when I said yesterday, I told whole disk extraction, it will be created a particular folder just for registry files. So we'll have to select only these particular files. So since I'm not extracting the whole image, I'm just extracting the registry files. So I've done this. Okay, so after adding it, I'll just click apply, and I'll get all the details, necessary information, whatever necessary information it is there, I'll get this. So it will show everything, all the data, so whatever I have downloaded, whatever I have used, whatever softwares I'm using, all the information will be there. This is it. It's simple. Like yesterday we saw how to see here. I've gone here. I'm in file, and I've clicked the obtain protected files, and here I have clicked the password recovery and register files because we're only extracting register files. And here using browse, I'll select the particular file folder where I want to browse all the, like, place all the files. Okay, then I'll click OK. That all the folders files will be saved here. Since I've already saved, I'll not save it again. So now I'll use like FatRat. So FatRat is, as I told, it's a software used for analyzing registry files. Since I've extracted registry files, I'll click raw registry files, and then I'll add all the files. Okay. So here I've added all the files, and then I'll click open. Then since I've added all the files, I'll click apply. So once it is applied, I'll get all the information over here. So whatever I've browsed, whatever I did, all the information will be available here. It's a simple thing. Yesterday we saw how to create the file, and now it's registry. Now tomorrow we'll see how to carve out the particular file using raw image. So it's a simple task. Uh, right now I'll post you the assignment of the same, and you complete the assignment before, like, tomorrow. By tomorrow you complete the assignment, and tomorrow we'll be having doubt clearing session, or else take file carving. If you have any doubts, you can just ask. Is that clear? Any doubts now, Shweta ma'am? Is it clear? I will share you the PPT, files as well. Okay, fine, perfect. I'll also share the file how to do it. So I'll be by evening I'll share it. Okay, guys, is it clear, everyone?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah,
Sir, can you please share the resources through which we download the
yeah. I will share you both softwares like FRAT and FTK Image. I will share you both the softwares. Don't
Okay,
worry about that. By today evening, I'll share it because, yeah, I will today evening I'll share it.
okay, sir.
Yeah. Others, any doubts?
Sir,
Yeah.
before today's I have texted about the NetSparker tool.
Yeah. Okay, that we'll figure it in coming classes. We'll have a doubt clearing session, solely dedicated to all the doubts, and we'll revise everything. There I will revise it.
Yes, sir, no problem.
Yeah. Others, any doubts? Okay then. Stay safe. Take care. You can leave the session. If you have any doubts, you can stay back. Yeah.
Sir, NetSparker is not being installed in my PC, sir.
What is the error it is showing?
It's unable to extract the file, sir. It says no archives found.
Okay, just screenshot the particular image, whatever error it is there to my WhatsApp. I will get back to you.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Right now, till now, whatever assignments I've given, just complete it, and make sure that you have uploaded everything because I too have to submit the same to the department. So that's it. If you have any doubts, you can stay, else you can leave. Thank you, guys.
Sir.
Yeah. You're welcome. Prashant sir. Prashant sir. Hello. Oh. Okay, guys, you can leave the meeting.